Everyone, welcome into our channel. In this video I'll be explaining in detail why the European residents, the Deriv Broker is the best broker for you to have your demo and a live account when you reside in one of the cities and countries under the European continent. So as you can see here, we have the Deriv has the location. I'm currently in the live platform for Deriv. So I'll be showing you some of the things I think you haven't seen in Deriv, in the Deriv portal. So there is there is this city in France, which is located in the European continent. It's called Paris. So if you reside in nearer this town or in the continent, it's safer for you to have a demo and a live account with the Deriv Broker. And another excuse me, we had the Deriv have other offices in Malta. The country called Malta is in Europe. Excuse me. There are also some offices there, and also there is another country called Cyprus in Limassol city in European continent. So there is another one in country called the Channel Islands in Guernsey in the European continent. So there are some offices there in Germany, the country Germany, the city called Berlin. So this Berlin, this city, there is offices, and also in United Kingdom, though United Kingdom left the EU long time ago, but here, as you can see, there are some offices. The headquarters of Deriv is in Malta. So please, guys, use the link in the description below this video to open your live accounts. Whenever you have a problem with Deriv, make sure that you go to the about section in our video and ask us. Whenever you feel have some problems, we can assist you as Deriv affiliates. You can contact us via WhatsApp, via Facebook, via Instagram, via Twitter, and Quora, and also the Pinterest. You can still contact us. You can also send us an email if you have some questions precisely for this, especially this video. Those who reside in Europe, we will appreciate you trading with Deriv and explore the 24 hours 7 days a week markets, so together. So this is what you will see after in the link description below. Let us check. In the link description below, this is what you will see. You will see that we have rated the brokers like the top 8 most trusted brokers in the forex trading market. I wrote for Africans. Yes, like you can see, Deriv is the number 1 recommended for us Africans, and also the EU Africans. I mean the EU residents. I've made my research and found that the Deriv Broker still is the best. You just click the link, and the link, you go direct to the internet. So this is what you will see after clicking the link below. Even if you reside in EU, this is the official website of Deriv. You will click here to create your free demo account. So there are many trading platforms for the Deriv traders. It's not just the MetaTrader 5 platform. There is also what you call the Deriv Go here, where you just place your stakes, you trade instantly in the matter of ticks. With a minimum of $1 per stake, you make money. There is also what you call a the multipliers where like there's a lot of the lot of things, guys. You can explore the market, but I solely recommend that you trade only the MetaTrader 5, which is the best I've experienced so far. So what you will do, you will enter your email address, you'll enter your password, and then you click create account. So you find your real account with your preferred payment method, and then you can download the application, Deriv application, so that you can start trading. So that's it, guys. Make sure you like this video and you share it to your other friends in Europe, so that you can start trading with Deriv Broker. You will trade the volatility indices, the boom and crash indices. They are also introduced in our channel. They are the best indices ever to trade with. The money is fast here, guys. Trust me, it's real. It's working for us as Africans. How much more you you are in Europe, where there is the headquarters for the Deriv. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Please leave a like and also subscribe into our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So thank you. Let us meet in our next video. Bye bye.